Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap, and today's video is all about the notice that has been recently released by UPSC EPFO. So guys, UPSC has said that in its notice that the EPFO examination, which was scheduled on 9th of May, and just 2 days back the admit cards were released for that particular examination, is now delayed. So UPSC has released this notice just a few minutes back on 19th of April 2021 that this examination is delayed till further notice, right? So I'll just discuss with you the details that have been given in this notice, and I'll also tell you what other things to be conducted by UPSC have been delayed, right, in this particular video. Before we proceed, I would request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys, and also join our Telegram channel. That way you'll be able to get a lot of videos, a lot of content that is free of cost and is going to be helpful for many examinations like RBI Grade B, NABARD Grade A, and other banking examinations. Of course, also we provide videos, we provide content for the EPFO exam, right? So guys, this is the notice on 19th April, just few minutes back. This was uploaded on UPSC website, wherein see, they have written that recruitment test of the 421 posts of enforcement officer, account officer, that is EO/AO. EPFO exam 2020 scheduled on 9th of May is deferred till further notice. So no new dates have been announced, of course, because of the ongoing situation, the uncontrolled situation. It is, I can say, the pandemic going on in the country. So no new dates have been provided right now, just they have said that the exam is delayed. Earlier the exam was to take place in October, but it could not take place again due to pandemic. Then the date decided was 9th of May. Even admit cards were released. People, I just had taken a session on the same, that how can you download your admit cards and all, and people were coming up with a request that please tell them, they were like requesting for this Twitter trend that paper should be postponed and all, and I think all those things have been considered by the UPSC. The requests of the students, probably students have approached them, so this is now postponed. Apart from this, guys, apart from EPFO examination, the notice says that personality test interviews for IES and ISS service, that is Indian Economic Service and Statistical Service of the 2020, have also been postponed. They were scheduled from 20 to 23rd April. They are not going to take place. Civil Services examination 2020, which took place, the preliminary exam which took place in 2020, and just few months back the mains exam took place. The interviews for that are also rescheduled now. No notice date provided. Similarly, recruitment tests further are also delayed, right? So I think this is a step well taken by UPSC. Students wanted this to happen, right? So I would suggest you, but in this situation, guys, I would suggest you to keep calm, okay? Take care of your health. Health is at the priority of yourself, of your family members, right? Stay isolated. Do not go outside your home. Maintain your hygiene and take care of your health. Plus, study well, okay? You do not take it, do not show your lackadaisical attitude that, you know, I have time, I can just now relax and all. No, you have to study well, because sincere candidates are going to utilize this delayed time, the time they have. Okay, so EduTap is providing currently 60% off on its EPFO course, so you can buy this course now if you haven't bought till now. And if you are already enrolled there, I would suggest you to take the mock test that we have provided, current affairs that we are providing, and we will be providing till the exam takes place. Okay, EPFO 60 is the coupon code. Please use it, and thank you for your time. Do not worry, we are with you to guide and help you. Drop us a mail at hello@edutap.co.in. Keep your spirits high. Take care of your health and study well. That's all I would like to say. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Take care.